In this video, I want to show you how I've used Claude Code to automate my entire agency business. I have fired 50% of my employees and replaced them with AI. I'm going to show you interactive tools. I'm going to show you complete dossier and deep research that I'm doing on all my clients, sales call analyzers. I'm going to show you the brand new process that I use to scrape leads, which are getting 10 times the results than I was getting before. I'm going to show you how I organize everything. I'm going to show you how I present and close clients. And then I'm also going to show you some of the crazy back-end stuff that I've never seen anybody talk about, and how I manage all of my pipeline so that I extract hundreds of thousands of dollars without leaving a single penny on the table. And now, if you want to have access to all of this, I'm going to leave all of it in the description below inside the Shipper Society. So let me dive in. So what I have built essentially is an internal wiki, which is like Notion, because I hate Notion with a passion. And so here I have client data, I have SOPs and playbooks, I have dossiers on all the podcasts that I'm doing, I have team internal docs, I've got tools and dashboards, and this is all inside of docs.dopaminedigital.io. And so you won't be able to access this yet, but I'm looking to roll a version of this out inside the Shipper Society, right? So everything is going to be interactive. Super proud of this. I've even built AI into the side panel, so you can actually go in here and talk to Claude inside of my wiki. And then each client here has their own section. And so, for example, the way that I scrape leads and set up pipeline for clients has completely changed. It used to be 2 or 3 steps, and now it is about 14 different steps. And I have even an OpenClaw agent that goes and does deep research on the client's perfect ICP. And inside of this SOP is the step-by-step instructions on how to do it, that you can come in here and click copy. And what this agent does is it spends 11 hours putting together a dossier on each one of these perfect fit leads. And then I've even put together a campaign and scripts and operations SOP to show you, like, okay, what do we say to each different tier, right? Like, what does tier 1 get? How do we personalize this line? How do we put all of this together? And then when I speak to these people, sorry, when I speak to these, when I find these perfect fit leads, what do they look like? Well, here is a comprehensive VIP dossier based on 11 hours of research, what we're able to find. Are they a good fit? What does Sherlock say about the business themselves? How much funding data do they have? What are the pain points and the signals and all the rest of it? Loom video ideas, it's crazy. And again, I can just come over here and I can go explain what the company does. And then boom, boom, boom. And like, you know, all of these little design elements took me so long to do, and I'm crazy proud of them. And then I even have a sales call analyzer that's trained on a bunch, like hundreds and hundreds of calls of not me, but somebody who is a world-class sales trainer called Brooks. And I have access to his recordings in a mastermind that cost me $25,000 or $20,000 actually. And I have loaded them in here. Claude has put it into frameworks, and then it analyzes your calls from a Fathom link, or you can paste the transcript. So that's pretty cool. I have also created a recording companion that will join you on discovery calls, and it will listen to the words that you are saying, and it will transcribe it live on the discovery call. So you can have this open in a second tab or on a second screen, and it will use different methodologies like gap selling, Hormozi, Belfort, or Chris Voss. And you will see in just a second here, based on the transcripts, based based on everything that is being said on this call, what are some things that I can ask to find the gaps? Boom. And so these are the questions a top 1% gap seller would ask. Then I have built a project manager app that automatically updates based on all the things that I'm doing. So then there's like one hub for all the projects I'm working on, like how many automations, how many clients stuff, how many tools, how many decks, stuff like this. Then I have built a 22-page slide deck going over all of the things that I would present on a growth plan presentation, right? And so it looks like this, and it's all automatically put together for me with Claude Code. This has been an absolute game changer for me. Another tool I have created here is an interactive tool that automatically backs up to Google Drive every 5 minutes. And it's a tool that I would get on with a client, and it would be the first in-depth workshop where I go over their ICP. I go over their dream customer. I ask them all these questions that get super in-depth about where they are, where they want to go, and all of these things, so I can build all the campaigns necessary, right? And then down the side here is a summary, and then there's also an AI coach that helps me ask the right questions on the call. And then all of this is recorded in a JSON file, and it's automatically backed up to Google Drive. I can also go light mode, dark mode. I'm also building a tool here that takes all of the stuff that we are doing a little bit manually or within Claude Code and makes it 2 clicks and automates the whole thing. So this is what the tool looks like. You can see all of the stuff that is actually happening in the background here. And then it takes you through, all right, you can choose your client up here. It sources the leads. It uses OpenClaw agents. It pre-qualifies the leads using OpenClaw agents, deduplicates, and then there's a waterfall process where it backs everything up. It finds all the emails across multiple different tools. It verifies everything. It enriches them. It scores them, personalizes them, distributes them, and then all the leads are listed down here. And you just literally come in here, you load in one time the data about the client, and then it pulls in the ICP from that client, and then it decides where you should be sourcing it from. It'll automatically source it. It'll run it through all sources. You can upload a CSV and it'll backfill all the emails, or you can just upload a LinkedIn Sales Nav URL and it'll go and it'll scrape all of those leads, and then it'll backfill everything correctly and do all the research. And you just come up here and you click run. How many leads do you want? And then I have even advanced options. So all of this is capable, is only doable because of Claude Code. Oh, and then I also was able to create this. So this plugs into my pipeline and it pulls all of the leads that are the top opportunities based on many, many different key metrics. And so these are all the leads that, this is all demo data. You can see it's like I have a demo button here. And then we have a Kanban board. All right, so if I want to drag people across, I can. If I want to open people up and do deep research on them, I can. I can come into here, I can click on Sherlock, and Sherlock will go and find all the information about them and then drop everything into the Intel. In the assets column will be anything that I have shared with them, all the growth plans. Here will be all the communications I've had with them. Any calls will be here. All the Fathom recordings will automatically be pulled in. And so these are the key actions that I need to be doing based on the leads in the pipeline that are the most likely to close. And then here are all of the leads. And again, I should just be able to click here and then I can go and do independent research with my OpenClaw agents. And so it's pretty darn powerful what you can do with Claude Code. And so my goal is to revolutionize this group with AI automations, AI tooling, templates, and basically just give you everything. Right? So I will create a private repo that you guys have access to here with all the tooling and I'll also upload it into the school, obviously, with all the trainings and stuff. But essentially, you will have access to these tools. You will have access to all the SOPs. You will be able to use them for your business, for your client's business, to take you from wherever you are now, let's say $0 per month, to $10,000 per month, to $30,000 per month, to $50,000 per month, using these tools. And you will never have to worry about delivery ever again. If you get on a call with a client, you'll be able to walk them through basically a demo of all the tools that you have access to. You'll be able to come down here to the tool section and click through all of these documents and blow their faces off with something like this. And so the goal is to bring all of this, like it's not going to be tomorrow, but consolidate all of this into one internal, like, Wikipedia in a beautifully presented Notion style dashboard like this, where you can run your business. You can also see all of the things that I'm running in my business, and as I update them, and as I update all the tools, they'll automatically be pushed here so that you can all use them. But if you haven't used Claude Code yet, this is what I have been able to do inside of Claude Code. And so I am taking all my systems and I'm putting them on steroids, and I'm going to be putting them all inside the Ship It Society. Obviously, if you want to do all of this yourself, you definitely can. Follow along. Make sure you're watching my YouTube videos. And leave me a comment below on the things that you want to see about Claude Code. These are all the things that I have built, and this is kind of like a sneak peek at all of the stuff that is coming to the Ship It Society. You can see that currently the price is $49 a month, and I am just about to, like, once I roll all this stuff out, I will double the price, and it will, like, you guys cannot expect to get all of this value for anything less, right? So it'll be $97 a month moving forwards, and right now it's $49 a month. And so for the few people that watch this video from end to end, that want to be a part of that and want to be grandfathered in at that price, you can still go to the Ship It Society. Again, I'll leave a link. You can join the group. All of these tools are not in there yet, but they will be coming, hopefully, by the end of this month. I don't want to make any promises, but they are coming. You can see that I'm building the heck out of them, right? And so I'm super excited to be able to bring all of this stuff to you. It's revolutionizing my business. If you don't want to pay $1, that's fine. Follow along. I'm still going to be adding a ton of value in here, but it's going to be more like, this is how I built this thing, and this is an overview of this thing, and if you want this free prompt, here you can. This is like, hey, do you want access to all the SOPs that have built my six-figure business? Do you want all the access to the tools that I'm using to close $15,000 deals? When I get on a call with a client and I screen record what I'm doing, they go, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I need this so bad. Yeah, take my money. Right? And do you want to have the confidence that every time you get on a call with a client or a prospect, you will never be deconstrained by being able to deliver them results, because you have all the AI systems that were developed to solve every single problem along the way, including understanding your ICP and your offer, including generating your own pipeline, including getting on discovery calls, including knowing what to actually present on those discovery calls and how to price everything, all automatically done with AI, and including being able to get on a sales call and actually close that sales call better every time, with all of the things fed to you by AI, and then analyzing that sales call to know exactly where you messed up. And then when you onboard a client, all of that is taken care of for you. And then when you want to get the client's results themselves, you just plug in all of those same systems, including all of the other systems that I've built to deliver results for my clients. So everything is kind of like a done-for-you model, right? And so that is the vision of the Ship It Society, is to integrate more AI systems, more AI automations, more AI agents, and give you the templates, the prompts, and empower you to go out and build your own business, and then in turn also get your clients results. And so I just wanted to get on a quick Loom video here because I've been a bit MIA because I've been building these things and organizing these things, but it's all coming first of all to my business and my clients, and then to the Ship It Society, and then I'm going to be rolling out some like over the shoulder stuff on YouTube. So if that sounds at all interesting, join the Ship It Society. I mean, like, you know, this will never be this price again. I am going to double the price and then likely increase that price moving forwards because I can't give you access to AI tools that have AI built into them for $40 a month. It's just, I can't do it. But for the lucky few of you that are watching this end to end and you've been on the fence about the Ship It Society and you want to check out what's going on inside of, like, in my world and have access to me on a weekly call, one-on-one, and you want to have access to all these tools that are coming, then join the Ship It Society. Like, I have never been more excited about a project in my life. And this is going to be a huge part of what I'm doing, is bringing all of this stuff consolidated to you guys because I can see the value in having this community. And it's been a massive value add for me in the past, and it still is. So if that's interesting, join, guys. If it's not, let me know what kind of Claude Code content you want to see in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you on YouTube. All right.